Back in 2016, my wife and I decided to build a custom home with ICI in Plantation Bay. We weren't quite sure where we wanted to go in Plantation Bay, but what we decided was we wanted the estate section of Plantation Bay, which is Prestwick. As we started to get together with the team from ICI, we realized immediately that we were in great hands. They were listening to us. They were giving us all the information we needed to make great choices. So about building a custom home with ICI, our overall experience was incredible. We actually took 3 or 4 plans, put them together, and then we broke them apart, and then we added our pieces, and we came up with a house that is quite unique. It is an amazing, amazing home. And ICI allowed us to go in and make the changes we needed necessary to have the home of our dreams.